So before we move to other people's ideas, let's just see. We don't have to go into this. But does anyone else have ideas on this subtracting thing? Yes?
I think it's like subtracting because like 4 times 1 can equal 10,000. You could times. Then you could put the 4 and then the other way for division.
You want me to do this kind of division like that? Okay. So then and then where would our question mark go? Okay. So what operations did you compare here? Oh, you're doing the division right now? Okay. I want everyone to think about, we just made a comparison here. Is this subtraction? It's a different operation. What operation is that?
Ooh.
What operation is that one? Multiplication. And then what operation is this one? Division. So this is how multiplication and division are connected. So great. We see a connection between to multiplication. So we're going to leave this idea for now, Ronald, and we'll come back to it. Keep your picture. We're going to look at that another time. This idea we'll see if we learn more about later. A couple more ideas, and then we're going to try a little mental math. What do you want to add?
Division is like 16 divided by 8 is 2, and then 2 times 8 is 16.
Okay. So you also see that equations, we have our 4 equations for our fact families, and you see how they're connected. So I could actually draw it like this, our fact families we were doing, 16, 8, and 2. And then we know that this is one of our division statements, and you said 8 times 2 is one of our multiplication statements? Yeah. Okay. Anyone think that they can get this idea of equal groups in there? And maybe take a number like 100 and divide it into some equal groups? See what we do with that? What were you going to say?
Like 100 divided by 50 will equal 2, and 2 times 50 will equal 100.
Okay, so we have our fact families again. So can we use the words groups in here? Can we see some equal groups, Ron?
2 groups of 50 equals 100.
Okay, and how could we use that in our division statement? 2 groups of 50, that was like our, like 2 groups of 9, so that's multiplication. How can we use that word groups for division? Our equal groups? You guys think? What if I started with a smaller number, like, how many do I have up there? How many dots? Show me, show me on your fingers. That's a funny one, right?
Oh, no.
You had a flash. All right, how many are up there? You want to tell us? Can you see how many are up there?
12.
12, okay. So there are 12 up there. Someone show us, think about equal groups. Try and make some equal groups out of that. What do you see?
4 and 4 and 4.
4 and 4 and 4. So there's, here's a group of 4, and here's a group of 4, and here's a group of 4?
Yeah.
So we started with 12, and we divided it into how many equal groups? I mean, how many were in each group?
4.
4, so we divided it, and then we had how many groups?
3.
1, 2, 3 groups. Cool. Could someone do it a different way? What's a different way?
Okay, 12 divided by 3.
You want to do 12 divided by 3?
4 because 4 times 3 is the same thing, and 12 times 4 is the same thing.
So if I found 3 dots, I could circle them, and then circle 3 more, and then circle 3 more, and then circle 3 more, and we'd have 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more way? Gosh, you guys. Do you got another way?
I looked on that one, and I went down one time, and then that was 4, and then on the top I circled it, and then 4 times 3 is 12.
Oh, so you circled 4, but you circled like this.
And 4 down.
Oh, you looked at it like this. 3 and by 4. Cool. So you saw that multiplication and division. Oh my gosh. Okay. One more, and then we want to do a math problem. Woo, this is math too. Wait, we heard from you. Go ahead. What do you got?
By 6 equal 2.
Say it again.
12 divided by 6 equal 2.
Okay. That picture got kind of messy. Let me redraw our 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do you see the 6?
On the top 3 and the bottom one.
The top 3 and the bottom one?
Yeah.
Oh, you're making this hard for me. No, I could do it. Okay. Top 3 and the bottom 3. That's 6? That is a...
Make a line at the 2 tops of the T. No. Make a line with the marker.
Make a line with the marker. How about...
Yeah, right there. No. Yeah, like that.
Jeez.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, so that's 6 and that's 6. So 12 divided by our equal groups is 6. How many equal groups do we have?
It looks like it.
Oh, now we're distracted by our picture. It's worth 1,000 words. You guys have so much to say about it.